Hi folks, welcome back to another video. Right on the big day, the beans have been spilled out of Samsung's hands. Samsung Galaxy A72 is out in all its glory just before the Unpacked event. Samsung is supposed to release the A72 and the A52 later today. Earlier we saw a huge number of images, leaked videos, and in fact an unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A52. So far, the live images or the videos of the Samsung Galaxy A72 were not out. And guess what? None of the images of the Samsung Galaxy A72 have come out. None of the video clips have come out. But in fact, a complete unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A72 is out now, courtesy of Ahmed, who earlier posted the images of the Galaxy A52. And now he's posted a full unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A72 4G on his YouTube channel, and I'll definitely add his links in the bio so that you can check it out as well. So let me just jump straight into the unboxing video of Ahmed and I'll tell you what I think about this phone. So he starts off with showing the box of the phone, which is very neat and clean, just like the box of the Galaxy A52. And at the bottom of the box, we can see some tech specs of the phone, including its awesome blue color, which you can see on the top of the box in that image too. And this phone is with 8 gigs of RAM and it's with 256 gigs of internal storage. So you can see that it's the high-end variant of this phone. After this, Ahmed unboxes the phone and right on the top, there is the phone. The top sticker of the phone tells us about the Infinity O display, the 64 megapixels camera with optical image stabilization. So this is now confirmed. And it also talks about the IP67 certification on this phone. So two of the unique features are now confirmed with this unboxing video. Ahmed takes the wraps off the phone and the phone looks really beautiful. It's more like the aqua blue color. And guys, you can see that it has a matte finish. I am a huge fan of the matte finish and I was really hoping that we get the matte finish on all the colors of the A52 and the A72. A52's black color had a matte finish and now this blue color of the A72 has a matte finish as well. It looks really cool. I am completely in love with this matte finish of the phone. Inside the box, there is the sleeve. In the sleeve, we have the silicone case of the phone. The SIM eject tool is there and some documents. And underneath, we have a 25-watt super fast charging brick. So the rumors of Samsung removing the charger from its mid-range phones with this second unboxing video. There is the USB Type-C to Type-C cable in the box as well. Ahmed further compares the A72 to its ultra premium sibling, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And guess what? You can see that the matte finish on both the phones is quite similar. I am really liking the overall design and the look of the A72. The camera hump, that's placed very nicely. It's not protruding more than it is supposed to. It looks really good and the matte finish, I mean, I can't stop talking about it. It looks more like it's going to give us that rubber feel because it's a plastic build and it's polycarbonate and you can definitely imagine how it's going to feel in your hands. And it's a plastic frame with the USB-C port and some other ports, the headphone jack and a speaker at the bottom. Then there is a speaker on the top of the screen as well. Ahmed has not shown the entire front of the phone, but this phone is going to have the Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and it's a 6.67 inches Super AMOLED screen, a full HD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Now obviously the 5G variant is going to have a better refresh rate of about 120 Hz, but the 5G variant has got its price too. I'll mention the A72's expected price and its colors here so that you can know about those as well. And by the way, the pricing and availability for so many regions is not confirmed. Everything will be officially confirmed later today when Samsung takes the wraps off from these phones officially. But you know what? At this point, there is nothing left to the imagination. Everything that you need to know about these phones is already out and it's there. I mean, how often does it happen that the complete unboxing videos of the unreleased phones come out? But this time, Samsung has literally lost it and I feel really bad for Samsung actually. Anyways, Ahmed further compares the Galaxy A72 to the Galaxy A52 as well. And you can see that both phones look identical. The only difference here is of the size. The Galaxy A52 has a 6.5 inch screen and the A72 has a 6.67 inch screen. Everything else is completely same. And I was just scrolling through my Twitter profile earlier today, and I came across these images showing the CPU-Z screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy A52. And the phone, to my surprise, had a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset. You heard that right. There is no mention of the 720G chipset. And in fact, these unboxing videos that we have seen so far, these videos do not mention the Snapdragon 720G. I mean, these do not show any system information application showing the 720G chipset, and the chipset is not mentioned on the top sticker or anywhere in the box either. So there is still a possibility that the A52 4G has the Snapdragon 732G, and we might see the similar chipset on the A72, or else we might see a better chipset on the Samsung Galaxy A72. Chipset is the only one thing that's not confirmed for now. And with the Snapdragon 732G popping up on the Galaxy A52, my expectations are quite high right now. And it's just a matter of a few hours. We'll know if we are getting the same or a better chipset on this phone. Or, I mean, now the chipset on the A72 cannot be inferior. It cannot be the 720G at least, but you never know. We should still hold on and wait for the official announcement of the phone. The battery in the Samsung Galaxy A72 is of 5000 mAh and it's 4500 mAh on the Samsung Galaxy A52. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Galaxy A72 will have a 64 megapixels main camera with optical image stabilization. I hope that we get the 1080p at 60 frames per second video mode in this phone. And then we are going to get a 12 megapixels ultra wide, 8 megapixels telephoto, and then we might get a macro or a depth camera of 2 megapixels or 5 megapixels. I mean, the specs are already out, but I am still keeping a little bit of room for some surprises here. The front camera on the A72 will be 32 megapixels camera, and I am expecting this front camera sensor to be similar to what we saw on the Samsung Galaxy A71. Overall, if we see the Samsung Galaxy A72 with respect to the previous phones, that you would have wanted over the Samsung Galaxy A71. Now, I'll be comparing the Samsung Galaxy A72 to the A71 and A70 later today. I mean, I'm not going to get the phone, but I'll be just drawing a sketch and posting a video later on once the Samsung Galaxy A72 officially comes out. And I'll be getting this phone as soon as it comes out so that I can come up with all the comparisons and all the reviews of this phone on time. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to not to miss any of my upcoming videos. In the meanwhile, drop your feedback about this video in the comment section down below. Hit the like button and once again subscribe if you haven't yet. With that said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.